justice sila iyan. Justice sila iyan. Justice sila iyan. Justice sila iyan. Number one. Matuloy. Riwan ng SFNG Iran, Hatahomit ng Sir ENP.
Khamba, Jagapi Khamba, Israel am Yangbe, Hangonyu Yangbe, O Yamlaiba Shambu Bachi Su. Hangonyu Ga Mai Lagi, Nangai Makung Hukka, Lungdigi, Nangai Shai Bagaya, Puhukaba, Chapku, Long Yam Hudigi. Ada chumpong hadu ka mai nangai makung ka taba shiba tai banyabai Eastern Nagaland People's Organization ni mudaba shuba gaya o Eastern Nagaland nang nak tu yo aba hung shang ba chi superstar han nei tambai tu pa aba pu mai han tang han singai si ma ba makung long ba tambai mui tai banyabai Israel am hal yung kampa gaya kanan kadok nang yang yuba gaya jisu haba jude makung ka kampa lampu mui man ba jayong ka gangga hibak mai singa si jen bagi mangi suja haja lak nang laki pang bagaya jimbung yanan ada jimbung yanai jene odabai jene jing sulai mapa Sinyak ugam pungman, jen pung pungwan sangka, leka iyan, kanang kalai, jene rally, jung jen bagi mong abai tong abai pakan jingai siha taninya ba. Rally habaya, aji laga rally todo, statute, poila time de statute laga takise, aji laga rally todo le, the government of India, bara mohan laga Memorandum of Settlement, itu FND MOS draft, itu sign guribo after Christmas, before the election, Code of Conduct declare nukura agide guribo, koingina Government of India koise, itu diri hoa garne, aji laga rally dohele, failure on the part of Government of India to settle the issues of FND itu karni ase. Idia 1996 te yedi mohalla founding member idia YPNM idia the President Home People Council aro mohalla ga advisor ENPO ex MLA Sri Matbong itu kan aji mohalla dase tai kan milai gena Eastern Nagaland People's Organization TMPO to EMPO form guna rakise. Tu peshi thakise mohalla monduk mohan kandia itu hunai devo kogena 25th November 2010 the 10th Prime Minister of India Prime Minister Dr. Manmohan Singh submit kurise 2010 bra haigana bilateral talks 4 times hoise moi sob detail nogobo aro tripartite talks 2 times hoise ahegana itia mohan tongor ekta resolution loise 26 August 2022 de mohan laga demando Government of India saidianai gole election de najabo koina 26 August 2022 itu tangor ekta resolution loise itu pichide Government of India Government of India bra itu awas hunigna 6 December 2002 de mohange talk matise itu time de mohan laga itia laga President Home Minister Sri Amit Shah bra
Union Home Minister bara koise apni han laga demand do sai dibo financial authority financial power thakibo legislative power thakibo executive power thakibo itu milai gina apni han ke dibo koina 6 December 2002 de itu koise itu pichide AK Mishra loigina mohan laga jaga sabole team ekta banaise inia goina 22nd December 2022 de aro high level committee ekta hoise itu jaga de state pi na paribo UTB na paribo kiniga gurubo option thakigina biraibi inia tahan koise koigna tahan nijor bra executive power legislative power and the financial power tibo koigna tahan nijor goala kotha mohan laga demand statute thakise kintu tahan laga itu offer do thakia bra mohan aje khara hoy ase
Respected President Invo, Ms. Yingpi and her colleague, respected Kunibole Moon Thakigana, Ruki Taka time de, Aji Idu Awas, Amakan so pusode Idu Loy Aniase, Amar Agete Guanesena, Amar ENBO, Secretary Bra, all of highlight Kuri dise, Aro Idu Ubode, Ami Aro Olop Idu highlight Kuri diba. Jin Hagan Yujan Mayoki, say, Pay Diver Jina leader to DMBU ga, Kaigai President to Chongbang Butter, Shingi Hama, Jin Manishu. Bahaje Zbong Segai, Bahaje Tranimongai, at the Haba Labor, long leader to Yum Chongro Mr. Trongse, Mr. Yong Songlo, Habagaya, longi leader to Haba Katok Nugabu Yanda Gamde, Mr. Nyakpa Kunyak, Tobu Gabu, say Habagaya, Haba DMBU Jongbang Hibaka, Painal to Debananga, youngster to ENBU Kange, DMBU Kange, package Kisem Anigana, Mukange, Ishi temptation Anigana, Koitakise. Olebi Tadebi Kirana day. Amakan tate kirana. Amakan package na lagi. Amakan statute lagi. Frontier Nagaland state. Amakan iduhe lagi. Koi kana. Amakan laka voice of the people. Grassroots bra. Abanakan bra. Uthai dia. Itu awas. Idia tak khotum hua nai. Idia bi itu awas to ase. Itu awas ase. Itu gane. Aji. Amakan. Naside. Kita bi naharaibo. Manungkan kisem golebi. Government of India laga hatte. Amakan laga grievances. Amakan laga memorandum kan. Sob. Government of India hatte. Pungchay digana ase. Aji amakan banay lagi. Kali babo to. Youngster kan ase to. Aji amakan laga leader kan muri jaise. Holebi sob to numuri boto. Kali amar youngster kan. Kali itu aegana. Amakan bonai kana rakhi dia rasta de. Itu rasta de apnar youngster kan boi bole pirai bole ase de. Itu kane aji kisam hawa mari lebi nikiribo lagi. Nikiribo lagi. Kisam aegana. Apna ke temptation kuribo lagi. Nikiribo lagi. ENBU official kan. Aro itia tak kiman frontal organization ase. Invo nisana, ENSM nisana. Aigana federating unit takte. Amakan kon bi hiligna naide. Amakan aji yade. Amakan eastern area sopte 9 February 2024 de. Chaka sopte. Amakan eastern manulakam awas uthai dia ase de. Morom kuri kana amar Union Home Minister Amit Shah ji. Aro morom kuri kana amar Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji. amakan laka awas huni lobi morom guri na itu loy lobi aro aji amakan laka eastern ENPU laka demand fulfill kuri dibi koi kana amar laka request itu koi dia se long live ENPU, God bless. Thank you.
Eastern women side ahibi eki logot jaigina eki logot kanan de pumjibo ek chunme na charbo de mahan leaders kan ekla ke khang na rakhibi apni bhi ki contribute ko pare apni la side te ki ko pare be the voice.
What kind of uniqueness ase idu tv ami han ENPO public aji kan dia ase apni han mukan ENPO ami han eastern manu logote bishi blend koribi joldi dibi aji idu dibo lage goikena Phumla Hoijam president boy brabi koi ase idu ami kan kiman din bi rukhi thakibo rukhi ase apni khan ke idu ami khan laga ENPO la haste idu joldi dibo lage. ENPO demands separate statehood, but GY offer us uniqueness FND. Jenia statehood chayudai hajau chumi FND chay ebananga jini mongong shi ha jini tashi jini umdan ba yeba. The final talk for FND has concluded. Habai ihan shai dau tu kamai ai tam dai dai sia menung ba isu nung me isu nung en san isu sia jumi ya phan se ba ya phan mun jini ha umdan ba yeba. So today we demand immediate final draft and immediate shiny date for FND. Ami khan ki dibole koi digna ase idu tilen gurigina ami khan laga hate idu joldi didibide goigina idu ENPO rally de ami bi Phumla Hoijam ion piaba Phumla Hoijam moi idu koi ase. God bless ENPO.
Tunisia mon home student conference mon youth kan student gando education related kam sok bi kuribule man thagi na bi mon botai ENPO baki directive tibo BBC baki tibo ido kurina a ekta ase ito ran a din debi mon home student conference botai BBC aro ENPO la directive ki dibo no shule do motop lagya sok te kuribo goina mula kota yeti kotum gurase. Thank you so much. May God bless and long live FND.
On eastern side ase ito bra GP association no GP federation aro Longling district GP federation aro posti de thaga jo public village council chairman lead kurigena demand members tase ami khan modap ami khan laga
ngaya Phumla Hoijam president ni ibu kai support la niga longai ga ngige ngaya ka tok long su ko isuan ni pujong abi yamemak ka isuan apa te kini ge ENPU to ENPU ta si te kai hai ko up to date ngay ba Eastern nang ka tok tok ni ba ngay sang ENPU say man ai sini ba ENPU between Nagaland and India whole world ka apa ta ye tek ni ba say ba army bom army ne bi nyuan singai si ngay sa soi hai ba 30 years to se ito India amakan laga demand paper to teli bungji kana to chief minister given change kori kana aya se teli de given government change kori kana aya se ami bhabi ase ido logo lagi yote
avnian ke amian la memorandum to ki ase itu purai na ekbar bunai du through His Excellency the Governor of Nagaland Raj Bhavan officers sealed Kohima Nagaland through the Deputy Commissioner Longling. Subject: submission of the report of Democratic ENPO public rally held on 9th of February 2024 at Longling Town against the delay to settle FNT by the Government of India and final representation to the Union Home Minister with a request for immediate onward communication of the report thereof. Honorable Governor Sir, the undersigned take this esteemed privilege to convey to you that a democratic ENPO public rally against the delay to settle FNT by the government of India was held at local ground Longlang Town on 9th of February 2024. The rally was peacefully held with participation of nearly 5,000 people without any report of untoward incident. May we further convey to you that the rally culminated with adoption of a strong public resolution that the people of POM strongly reiterate that we shall be compelled to take our own course of action in the event of not honoring the sentiments and aspirations of the people of Eastern Nagaland. And thereafter, if election model code of conduct is declared by the ECI without signing the Memorandum of Settlement, that is MOS, we shall not be held responsible for any untoward situation that may arise in Eastern Nagaland region. While conveying the report of a peaceful public rally held, we therefore request the Honorable Governor of Nagaland for immediate onward communication of the report to the Honorable Union Minister of India. Thanking you in anticipation, sir. Yours sincerely, YB Angam POM, President POM People's Council, Hamnyang General Secretary POM People's Council. Itu
hebak suai habagai tog tikba hebak suai habagai arrange bugai buga PVC osong doi amuga mongai ba taneng jama
aba kadong như ada gam su su ka phaya sambu ba nangai nangai lengbai haga dai tu wai ba tho lomo ba tho dai dang han jangai si Government of India ayo ba lo mi hamai timan chudu sene doi phop nya ba sambu ba galang in boy mai dai ba aba do su manglan tha si hamai leaders the pageng galang to pengoi sinengi chungai du si sai sini aba jai kena kon bin jabo amakan aki kuribo itu bichite kangpura kan council kan itu bichite maiki kan aru youth kan inaga ekdam nihili kena jai kena DC office te jabo jai kena DC ke amakan laka memorandum to aji itu submit kuri dibo dia bichite he amakan laka rally to yate khutum obode itu karne itia aru nurokhi kena yate itu rally te kiman jun ahai kena yate participate kurise আমার ওদাপ চেঞ্জ কোয়া পরাবি কইছে বলেবি প্রেসিডেন্ট বড়া মুখ পরাবি ইটু কই দিয়া আছে পিপিসি খান বড়া আপনা খান সবকে খুশি পাই আছে আৰু কালি পৰসুং আৰু ইটু লাগা ইস্যু তো খতম নহইলে কালি বি পৰসুং বি কাউন্সিল খান কে বস্তিতে মাতিব ইটু টাইম দে আপনা খান সব আইগনা আমাখান কে কোঅপারেশন কৰিবি দে কইগনা আপনা খান কে ইটু আকেতে ইটু বি জানাই কেনে ৰাখি দি আছে Thank you for your cooperation. Aru itia amakan sob ke isore amakan ke God bless kori dibo. Thank you.
Bukso ya long.
Hello. We demand immediate final draft ENU. We want immediate final draft EN. We want FNT. Long live ENPO. Justice delayed is justice denied. Isha. We immediate final draft EN. We demand. We